Hi, I'm Vivian. I'm the graphic designer at Sherwood Books, and we are going to be doing Cook the Book tonight with a special cookbook called Eat Plants Every Day. It's all plant-forward dishes that are comfort food, and you don't have to make super drastic lifestyle choices or changes to incorporate more plants into your diet. And my husband and I, love to do pizza night every weekend or every other weekend, and we thought we would pick out the pan pizza with peppers, onions, and sausage tonight, which I'm super excited about. We got all of our veggie ingredients over here, and we found some Beyond sausage that we've tried their Beyond burgers before, but I haven't actually tried the Beyond sausage, so I'm excited to see how it all turns out with the rest of the flavors. And my husband made a homemade tomato sauce, and he also made a homemade pizza dough, and so it's resting right now, and we will start decorating the pizza soon once it's done resting. So that was pizza night. We made 3 different pizzas, and one of them was the recipe from Eat More Plants or Eat Plants Every Day. And it was really good. The crust we used, the recipe said to use a store-bought crust, but we don't do that around here. We didn't cut corners on this one. We used a homemade crust recipe that my husband's used for a long time, and we used the Beyond brats that they ended up tasting a little bit more breakfasty, but they were very good with the peppers and the onions, and we sprinkled some vegan Parmesan on top, and it was delicious. And it was a great pizza night. Everyone loved it.